poop bandit. They never cleaned up their poop. The poop bandit. This is a big load. This will be a good one. Grab the underside of this. No, like under there. Yeah, and then walk on your side. And then walk, yeah, like that. Go up further. Whoa, no, I'm good. If you're gonna go buy that, if you're going to buy that transformer, no, I got another one. All right, thank you. What? Let's see what it does with the tarp. Grab, jump over there. And then it's gonna lock like that, so just hold it, and then I'll tighten it. Let me go, I can go one more notch. I don't know, that's pretty tight. Is it too tight? There's no nails sticking anywhere. I tried to flip it. Where's that right here? That's pretty good. That's good. All right, now I need my thing. Oh crap, I need my keys. Lock this back up. Okay, let me hook this up. I'm gonna need a battery. I'm gonna need a Milwaukee battery for the air pump. So probably one of the, not the little tiny one, the next size up. Okay, I'll back up. Okay, here we go. Oh, we need to get the, good? Yeah, that'll get, I had to turn the defroster on. That hooks up. Oh yeah, this one's got some weight, I can already tell. What time is it? I'm good. I'll close everything up. All right, I'll see you in the morning, okay? That's good there. Back up a little bit here. Wrong way. Yeah, that was the right way. Good. Jump over here real quick. That's good. Let's see what we got here. Like that. Stay out of the way. That definitely gonna have to put some. We're gonna have to put some juice in the airbags. Let's pull out of here. Okay, we're gonna close up shop. Doing too bad here. Had all the ceiling out today. Make sure all this is locked up. Got that. Dump load number 4, baby. Yeah, it's a big one. So here you go. Take some pictures, send them to my sweetheart. Let's see, I gotta do the old wide angle maybe. I don't know, this might be tricky. Maybe over here. Yeah, no more ceiling. Let's see, let's do it like this. And you can see it all. Yeah, how's it going? Then we'll get here. Got the wide angle on, kind of tough. Get one more. There we go. Good to go. All right, there's 3 of them. Unplug this. Double check the basement. I want to change that furnace filter. I bet you that furnace filters. Let's see, switch. Let's check this real quick. I always put little fiberglass filters. They're inexpensive. Anytime, in my opinion, if you're doing construction, you don't need to spend a whole lot of money on filters, because you should really, honestly, like, we'll see how bad this one is. I replaced the last one like last week, but I put a little screw here, so it's, I don't know if you can see it, so it's easy to get out. But look at that thing. That thing's caked up. I might let it go for another week. Yeah, I don't know though. Things aren't that expensive. So I just take the screw, make sure your airflow is going the right way, obviously, but I just put the screw like right here and kind of pop it through there with your fingers and then just turn it. And it kind of goes through that corner a little bit like that. I mean, that doesn't hurt anything, but then when you drop it in, you can get it right out. See? Boom. Good to go. You just leave the other one like this. That way you know how many you got. Turn this off. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Even with a, yeah, that needed changed. I'm glad I did that. Okay. So even with the zipper wall, still brings dust everywhere. Let's shut this. And this here, 2x4. Stop and get fuel. Okay. Shut the rest of this down. Got everything out of here. Light off. All right, and then I gotta put in a spot, 98 to 98. The left rear first. Nasty out here. It's like, okay, what do we got? 9.5 pounds. It's about where it should be about there. I set them, lowered them down to 10, so watch this thing go up. That's the left rear. She's still going. The other side. Let's see if we can watch that. Sure we're juiced up. Oh yeah, good on that. Double check all my stuff. That's good. The one thing, this thing's like a little long, but I've just been kind of, oh, this thing, I had to turn that in like that. There we go. Load number 4. This is a big one. This is gonna be a heavy one, I can tell. All right, what do we got? Let's see, we got, oh man, it's warm in here. Oh yeah, it's nice in here, jeez. All right, let's put her on mix. All right, so now we're gonna jump this up. We're going to boost level 3, and then we'll leave it at 9. What's today? Wednesday. 206,058. Truck like mine down there. I don't know whose it is. That guy just pulled in. All right, let's do, how are we doing on battery? Oh, we're not doing very good. I need to stop. I need to me see. Getting close. All right, well, let's get this other camera situated because I'm gonna set this up, hopefully. There we go. Should unlock. Unlock it? Unlock. On our way. Oh, man, you're just gonna have to wait, dude. You got no headlights on. I mean, you didn't see that person for nothing, but you don't have any headlights on. That is a true story. I've got my headlights on. Rainy day. And get a little hemmed up here for fuel, but we'll go right here. All right, there we go. Why this lady parked like that? Which way is this telling me to go? Erie? Oh no, we're not. Yeah, we're not going that way. No, we're not going. We're not going down that road. That road's a potholy mess. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a big load, man. We got some weight. Easy there, buddy. Brakes are pretty good.
Northwest on Linwood Avenue toward Delta Avenue.
Oh yeah, let's block the intersection. This will take us. Dana speed humps. Brakes aren't too bad. Oh, I need a name for my truck. I need a name for my truck. Yeah, I need a name for my truck. An old truck down there. We could have turned there. Should have turned there. Nasty pothole right there. Where they're going. That's pretty good. That setting. 34 minutes. We're here, Rumpke Waste and Recycling. Oh, what's it gonna weigh? I'm gonna have to look. Let me look at what it was before. Okay, so we were, the last time we were 9,300 on the nose. See what we are this time. Here we go. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna definitely say over 10,000 pounds. Let's see if he'll let me go with 9 yards or 3 yards again. Oh, we're close. 10 something. 9,700. It'd be 3 yards. Thank you. $97. So we're 400 more than the last time. Huh. I thought it was more than that. Thank you. See, there's the big mountain. You can see the big Rumpke mountain. There it is. A big Rumpke mountain. But they built this facility down here. This is all new. You used to have like a wall, and you'd back up to this wall. Actually, you can see it right here, over here on the left. It's kind of right over there. And you used to back up to the wall, and then you just chuck all your stuff over the wall. But they recently put this in, and this is nice. It's all undercover. And this dude in this red truck, he like comes over and backs you up. It ain't bad. Let's see where he's gonna want me to go. Okay. Smells in here. All right, we're gonna go dump. What's up? All right, we'll take you along. Pretty simple stuff. There. Lock her back in. Good. Open the gate. Two-stage just kicked in. There she goes. We'll bring her all the way up, and then I drive forward. I forgot my broom. I usually sweep it out. Forgot my broom. It's alright, it's raining, so I'll probably rinse some of it out. Let's see how bad it is real quick. Man, some stuff stuck in here. So they got like a conveyor belt that goes through here. This big thing chomps everything up, and then they dump it in there and take it somewhere. But there. I forgot my broom.